Well, good evening, folks. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you to all my subscribers. And I've got two sections of this fiberglass down now on the bottom of the hull. I'm getting ready to lay out the last piece. Not going to do that tonight. It's already about 9:30, so I'm not going to even try to tackle that tonight. Now I'm going to get over here by the nose of the boat. I'm going to move around over here, but we might lose our light. As it is, like I said, after 9 o'clock at night. It's almost 9:30, in fact. So what I'm going to do, before I put this piece down, before I lay this last piece of fabric down, I need to come up here to the nose, and I need to put some cloth down here. And I have a couple of pieces that are cut to fit this little area right here where I'm running my hand, and I'm going to get those in place. And then once that has set up and I've sanded off you know, the rough edges, then I will come back and lay this piece over those. So I need to get that done first, and that's what I'm going to tackle tonight. Hopefully it won't take too long, because man, it is blistering hot out here. It's oh gosh, about 94-95 degrees right now. High was like over 100 today, and so we are in the dog days, folks. So anyway, let me get that done. I will get right back to you. Let me say, oops, almost forgot. I needed to put some tape down this center seam right here, and got that on there now. Also wanted to put a little bit extra fiberglass right here. The bow eye will attach at this point, and the little rubber bumper pad on the trailer is going to ride right here. So I want just a little bit of extra glass in that area, and I need to get that done even before I put these little small pieces in right here. So, you know, one thing at a time. Let's get it in proper order, and let's make sure we just take time to do it right. All right, folks, that's all for tonight. It is hot. I'm going to go watch TV. I will see you later. See you in the next segment. Good afternoon, folks. Very hot afternoon. Over 100 degrees right now, but just wanted to give you a quick update here on what you're seeing right there. That's a sheet of 4mm thick Okume plywood, and I just unloaded another sheet right here along with a sheet of 9mm thick Okume, and I found those locally off of Craigslist. This guy had them for sale. He had them left over from a boat building project of his, and I could not pass up the prices that he was offering that stuff, because, you know, I've mentioned before that once I'm finished with this boat, I want to build a kayak, and the 4mm Okume is perfect for that. And I grabbed that 9mm right there. And I can't get my camera in there, but anyway, I grabbed that 9mm sheet right here, right where I'm tapping it with my fingers right there. That's to supplement my 3/8 Meranti right here, because I think once I start putting the floor down in this boat, I think I was going to run just a little bit short on that 3/8, so that will kind of help out there, and that's why I grabbed that sheet of 9mm. It's close enough to 3/8 that I can use it. I think it's like 0.370 or something like that, whereas 3/8 is like 0.375, so it's not a whole lot of difference there. But anyway, like I said, I could not pass up what he had that listed for, and it was just really, it was a really good bargain. And on another note here, I taped off this center seam right here on this forward section of this hull last night. Got that all sanded down, and so I will be ready to lay in that little piece I was talking about last night. Right here, I'm going to put some 8-ounce fabric right across the nose of the bow here, just to reinforce this whole area. And then once that has set up, and once the edges are smoothed out, I will lay that fabric down back over the bow and wet it out. All right, folks, that's my update for this afternoon. I'm going to finish unloading my plywood, and I'm going to go back inside where the air conditioner is. Alright, we will see you later. Okay folks, I'm back. That's what I was talking about right there. I just wanted to put a piece of fabric across the nose of the boat, just wide enough to cover this panel right here. And that's actually 2 pieces of fabric because of the way this bow is shaped right here. I had to cut that one piece of cloth right down the middle. That's it. I'm kind of limited in what I can do because of the heat. I have to get out here late afternoon when it starts to cool down, and even so it's pretty hot. So I'm going to call that a night right there, and I will get back with you once I get to the point where I'm getting ready to get this piece of fabric wet down and laid out. Alright folks, I will see you later. Okay folks, getting ready to lay down that last section of fabric up there on the nose, up there near the bow. And so it's hot, but I got to keep pressing forward. So here goes. Okay, so I know it's kind of hard to see over that curve right there, but I'm almost finished. I have just a little bit left right here to wet out, and so I'm going to get that done. I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera off because, like I said, it's just hard for you to see that from that camera angle, and it's hot, and I need to get this done because the resin is going to fire off pretty fast. There it is. It's all wet out, and with that, the first layer of fiberglass on the bottom of the hull is now complete. And this is where I'm going to stop the video. I will finish this out, get all the edges smoothed out and sanded down, and then we'll get everything ready for the second layer of fiberglass fabric. And as I said before, that's going to start here in the center, and it's going to drape over the sides and all the way down to the rub rail right here. But for now, that's all I have for you. We just got to let this cure, and I'll probably get out here tomorrow and start sanding on it and getting all these rough edges smoothed down. But like I said, that's it. First layer's down, and it's looking good. like I said, it's hot, but I got to keep pressing on. All right, folks, I do thank you all for watching. And as I always say, in everything and all things, to God be the glory. Have a blessed day, and thank you again.